Hello students, today let's learn rounding numbers. So many times for our convenience we use approximate value instead of the accurate value. This way of expressing numbers approximately is called rounding of numbers. It is very useful in our day-to-day life. For example, 19,618 students from Delhi attended football coaching camp, while 17,300 students from Mumbai attended the camp. Now here we can round off these figures to the nearest thousand and can say 20,000 students from Delhi attended the camp, while 17,000 students from Mumbai attended the camp. We round off numbers to get estimated values like estimated length, estimated expenses, distance, etc. And even to find the estimated sum, difference, product and the quotient. Now, before explaining how you can round off any number, first let me teach you about some terms which we use in rounding numbers, like round up and round down. Suppose we want to round off 96 to the nearest 10. You can see that 96 falls between the number 90 and 100. 95 is at the mid, so we can say that this is the midway. If we observe on this number line, 96 comes after midway. That means this is closer to 100. So we will round it up. Okay, so this is round up. Next, if we take any another number like 92, midway is 95 because it is falling between 90 and 100, and 92 comes on the number line before the midway and it is closer to 90. So we will round it down. So from these two examples, it is clear that if after rounding the number is increasing, we say that we rounded up the number, and if number is decreasing, we say we have rounded down the number. Now to round off any number, we need to follow two basic steps. To understand these steps in a better way, let us take an example. Suppose the given number is 4,38,792 and you want to round off this number to the nearest thousand. So the step 1 is look at the digit to the right of the thousand place. You want to round this number at the thousand place now. So check the right digit of the thousand place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the digit in the thousand place. Let us understand with the example. Here in the example, the digit in the thousand place is 8. So you will check the right digit, which is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. So there you will add 1 to the 8. So it will become 9. Next step, change all the digits to the right of the thousandth place to zeros. So now the rounded up number is 4,39,000. Now let us look at another example. If we want to round off 35,31,461 to the nearest thousand. First of all, look at the digit to the right of the thousand place, which is 4 here. And as you know, 4 is less than 5. Here we will leave the digit at the thousands place as it is. Okay, we will not change the digit, we will not add 1 in the digit which is at thousand place because 4 is less than 5. So in this example, therefore 1 remains as itself. Second step, change all the digit to the right of the thousand place to 0. So we got the answer 35,31,000. We can round a number to any given place, that is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and so on by following same steps as I mentioned for the thousand place. Now let's practice with some examples. First is round off to the nearest 10 and its A part is 42. You want to round off to the nearest 10, that means ones, tens. You want to round off here. So for this you will check this number, the number right to this tens place. Okay, this 2 is less than 5. So you will leave this tens place as it is. You will not add 1 in it. Okay. So it will remain same and this 2 will be replaced by 0. So when we round off 42 to its tens place, we get 40. Next B part is 15. You want to round off to the nearest 10. So check the place right to this 10. This is 5. And as I explained, if the number which is right to the given place is 5 or greater than 5, what do? We add 1 in it. When we will add 1 in it, what do we get? 1 plus 1 will be 2 and this 5, 1's place will be replaced by 0. So when we round off 15 to the nearest 10, we get 20. So next number is 94, ones, tens. You want to round off to the tens place. So check the number which is right to the tens place, which is 4. So we will check this 4. This 4 is less than 5. So we will keep it same. We will not add 1 in it. So simply write 9 and this 4 will be replaced by 0. When we round off 94, we get 90. Next number is 366 and we want to round off to this number at tens place, ones, tens, hundreds. We want to round off at this place. So you will check the place which is right to this tens place, 6. 6 is greater than 5. So what do? We add 1 in it. So 3 will remain same. 6 plus 1 will be 7 and this 6, 1's place will be replaced by 0. So when we round off 366, we get 370. Next number 8799. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You want to round off this number at this place, that means tens. So check the number to its right. This is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 here. ओके 8079 में आप इस नंबर में क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? 1 ऐड कर रहे हैं. 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. So this will be 880. And this 9 which is at 1's place will be replaced by 0. So after rounding 8799 we get 8800. Next is round off to the nearest 100. Same as the previous question. We always round off number in two steps. First, what do we check? We want to round off at hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. And then which number we will check? We will check the digit right to this number, which is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So what do? We add 1 in this. Okay. And this part will be replaced by 0. So 7 plus 1 is 8. These two parts will be replaced by 0. So put zeros. So when we round off 795 to the 100, we get 800. Next, 2687. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. You want to round off at this place 100. So you will check the digit to its right, which is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 here. 26 plus 1 is 27. So write 27 and these two digits will be replaced by 0. So when we round off 2687 to the nearest 100, we get 2700. C part 28,481. We want to round off at hundreds at this place, ones, tens, hundreds. So you will check its right digit, which is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 here and these two digits will be replaced by zeros. So simply add them. 284 plus 1 is 285 and then 2 zeros. So when we round off 28,481 to the nearest 100, we get 28,500. Next, round off to the nearest 1000. First number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. You will round off at this place. So you will check its right digit, that means 9. 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 at this place and these digits will be replaced by zeros. Simply write your answer. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So your answer is 4000. Next is 5789. You want to round off to the nearest 1000. That means at this place. So check its right digit, which is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So this will be increased by 1. Add 1 in it. And these digits will be replaced by 0. So write your answer. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0, 0, 0. So your answer is 6000. When you round off 5789, you get 6000. Next, 2235. You want to round off at the 1000 place. So check its right digit, which is 2. 2 is less than 5. Now this is less than 5. So this will remain as it is. We will not add 1 in it now. Why? Because this digit is less than 5. Okay. So this will remain same. And we will replace these digits by zeros. So simply write 2 and then 0, 0, 0. When you round off 2235 to its nearest thousand, you get 2000. Next is 18,589. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. You want to round off at this place. So check its right digit. This 5. This is equal to 5. And as I said, if the right digit is equal or greater than 5, we add 1 to the place on which we are rounding off the number. Okay? And these digits will be replaced by 0. So simply write your answer. 18 plus 1 is 19. 0, 0, 0. Okay, when you round off 18,589, you get 19,000. So students, to round off numbers easily, remember these 2 points and it would be easy for you to get estimated value. If the digit to the right of the given place is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the given place. Second, if the digit is less than 5, leave the digit in the given place as it is. Okay? So students, today you have learned how you can round off any number to the given place. In next class, you will learn to know how you can find the estimated values. Till then, keep learning and stay safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.